Part 2 of me eating a little seafood boil. We have Louisiana blue crabs, boiled shrimp, Cajun potatoes, Cajun corn, crawfish boudin, pork boudin, and sausage boudin. And I also made a little sauce. I haven't tried the sausage one yet, so. Fun fact, this is a male crab. I usually like the females better because they're fattier and they have more juice, but they all are good. Take out the lungs. Everybody eats them differently. This is just how I do it. I'm gonna break this one off. Then I smush, break. There you go. Now keep in mind, these are Louisiana blue crab, not Maryland. They're cooked completely different. It's all meat. Shrimp. Oh yeah. Crawfish boudin.